Hello and welcome to my another video. In this video I'm going to review this power bank which I recently bought, and this is from some company VOOE solar power bank. I think they forgot this writing here, tablets and USB and grade, I guess. So this is basically the product for German market to attract German buyers or buyers in Germany. And on the back they have a full list of specifications. So it's a model number, it is a lithium ion battery which 26,000 milliampere hours. So that's basically approximately 8 or 9 times you can charge your smartphone battery. If your battery is 3000 milliampere hour, then you can, approximately 7 times I would say. And you can charge your battery. There is power bank with 5 volt and a maximum of 2.1 ampere chargers. So for fast charging, I don't really know if they support fast charging, but you can try. I just tried to charge it through laptop, and it took around. I left it overnight. I think it took 8 hours, I guess, to charge it fully. And similar, the output is also similar. And the product size is 18.5 by 75 by 150 millimeter, and the weight is it's a little bit heavier. I would say it's there are no weight written, but this is like yes, nothing is there. Yeah, and here also the company names, address, you can contact company. So Markenzeichen, is it like a German word? VOOE is the name of the company, I guess. So let's start and see what is inside. So I'm just checking it out from the case. And here we have a USB cable. You can see the both like this and the USB. You can use any charger to attach it with, or laptops, and just put it in the input of the USB to charge it. And here we have nice looking power bank. So on the front we have a solar panel which you can put in front of the sun to charge it, and here you have a button, and here you have 2 outlets and 1 inlet. So the inlet you can charge, maybe this is the right one, and yes, if you can read it, is a 5 volt 2.1 ampere is the input, and the outlets also same value. And if I press the button on the side, you can see this. Okay, so yeah, you can see this are 4 points, and right now I consumed 1 point and 3 points still left. So yeah, with this you can approximately charge your battery for 7 times, I guess. Yeah, so far I charged it 3 times and it's still showing me this 3 points, but depends on, I don't know if how long will it keep this power, but here also some information. Yeah, so basically it seems like so from the front is a solar panel, you can charge it, and from the back is very smooth and scratch free surface. Looks really nice, but a little bit heavy, but yeah, it's actually nice. And yeah, thanks for watching.